Welcome to Olympian Cares, giving you the best in water testing and analysis. So when it comes to public water systems and the New York City drinking water standards for PFOAs and PFOS and 1,4-dioxane, what are some of the standards and MCLs? We talked about what MCLs are, but just to basically break down the history and understanding, on August 26, 2020, the New York City adopted a new drinking water standard for public water health systems that set the maximum contaminant levels. That's what MCL stands for, of 10 parts per trillion, 10 ppt for each perfluoric acid, and for PFOS, and 1 part per billion for 1,4-dioxane. Now, when you see MCLs, which are the maximum level contaminant, public water systems need to regularly monitor for contaminants, notify health departments and public of confirmed exceedance at work, and health departments on a compliance timetable and a plan to bring that water system into compliance. We talked about those requirements as well. Now, what do public water systems have to do? Beginning August 26, 2020, public water systems need to monitor, which they're currently doing for PFOA, PFOS, and 1,4-dioxane. The largest water systems serve 10,000 people or more, and they have to begin sampling by these certain time periods. Also, what are some of the health risks that are associated with MCLs? Well, MCLs are set at levels well below those that have caused health effects. That doesn't mean that they can't, though, because in laboratory animal studies, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, the U.S. EPA, and the DOH rely largely on animal studies to set drinking water standards because controlled laboratory experiments provide the strongest evidence for understanding the risks of health effects in people. And human studies are also reviewed in setting MCLs, and these studies are less controlled, therefore they have more uncertainties, which that's why I say it could still cause a problem, because MCLs are set at levels with a large margin of protection. Exceedance of the MCL does not signal an immediate health risk. It signals the need for a water system to take action to reduce exposures. So how do you know if your water system is safe? How do you know if something's exceeding? How do you know if there's a problem with any one of these chemicals or anything else? It's always a good idea to get your water periodically tested.